Namaskar and good evening. First of all, I must thank Smart Parivar and I recollect when Rajesh Mehta came 2 years back to my office in Jalgaon and it was I think March and he convinced me to accept to enroll into the advanced Gurukul because I already done uh, Gurukul, Entrepreneur Gurukul 24th batch in 14 to 16. But he was insisting me upon, and I was very much reluctant for that because we were having a downtrain, and it was very difficult for me to invest. But then somehow me and my wife was sitting with him, and okay, my wife said that okay, let us take a last chance, and we have enrolled with our team. I must thank my team also, who has participated in this 2 year very wholeheartedly, and we are implementing lot of things, maybe not all. And I am joined with Smart for almost 6 to 7 years now. This will be third certificate will be on my wall because I have done Tiger Roars also, Entrepreneur Gurukul also, and I am putting it my cabin all the three certificate. Two already there now. This will be third. So I must thank sir, and he is always motivating me and my wife in my family. We are regularly seeing your DVDs, even audios also. In this advanced Gurukul session, it is really eye-opener session for particularly me because I am a second generation entrepreneur. Joined my business in 86, started full-fledged activity in 94, but only in 2017 February when we done profitability and profit management session and Anil Namba when he has opened the eyes that what is capital cost. Till 25-30 years I was not knowing what is capital cost. And then we started doing it, monitoring it. Transformation and transformation management, we have already made the plan. My team is already implementing. We are writing transformation book also and core value book also. So not much everybody has shared a lot about that. And I must thank personally to Nikhil who has time to time guided us. A very good reviews has been in depth has been taken. Where is Nikhil?
He is right behind you.
So I must thank sir, and it was very dedicatedly he was doing because coming to Jalgaon, it's a nightmare, and even in the May and June he came, it was 47 to 48 degree temperature. Uh, I must thank all the smart team, specifically sir, Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, Nayan Kotian and Sindhu ma'am. We will be now implementing, our journey will start now because 2 years we had very good knowledge. We have been adapting that, and I am putting up here that within these 2 years we will come with you with a very transformed company, with very successful company. We have stagnant company for last 4 5 years, but definitely with all the strategies what we have decided, turnaround strategy है, जो भी हमने अभी decide किया है, we assure our with my team also that we will be implementing and we will turn around our company. Thank you very much.
Just 2 minutes लूँगा मैं. I especially thanks to Smart and our MD Chaviraj Rane sir, who has given us opportunity to participate in these programs. Actually, in this forum, we are the we are the company which is coming from the long. Almost we are 400 kilometers away. For these programs, we are doing our homework. Actually, initially the program from the transformation management. In these programs, we learn very well how to do the transformations, how the butterfly will come. ये करते समय हमारे जो टॉप लीडर हैं हम लोग, एक्चुअली आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम दिस कंपनी फ्रॉम लास्ट 20 ईयर्स, लेकिन ये 20 ईयर्स में हम करते करते हमें पता ही नहीं चला कि कैसे गए, लेकिन अब ये 2 साल में जो हमने काम किया, करते समय ये पता चला कि क्या हमें डेवलप होना चाहिए, कैसे हमने काम करना चाहिए. जो एक्चुअली हमारा कंपनी अभी टर्न ऑन स्ट्रैटेजी में हम जा रहे हैं, हमने बहुत सारे अप डाउन देखे हैं. अभी चबी साहब ने अभी बोला कि हमारा जो कंपनी है, जब संतोष नायर को देख के ही वो इंस्पायर होते हैं और ही इज़ रनिंग द बिजनेस. एक्चुअली हम लोग इससे बाहर आएंगे, ये मैं छविराज राणे सर को ये करता हूँ. एंड विल डू योर बेस्ट एफोर्ट. एंड आई थैंकफुल अगेन फ्रॉम संतोष नायर जी एंड निखिल जी, विच इज कमिंग टू जलगांव एंड give us guidance to us. Thank you very much.